Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where I do mainly budget videos, sip and sip videos, loc videos, and other random videos thrown in here and there. Today's video is going to be a loc update. I am 17 months in on my locs and I just did a fresh retwist. I was supposed to do a soft retwist where I was just going to retwist the front of my hair. Well, an hour and a half after I started, my entire head was relocked. But sometimes I say I'm going to do something and I get to the point where I was like, oh, well, forget it. I'm already started, so let me just do the rest of it. So hopefully it will last because my daughter was going to retwist my hair next month in June for my anniversary before we went on our vacation. But she shouldn't have to because we're going the week of the 12th. So there's no way I should need a retwist. If you notice, my hair is really growing and it is really healthy and it's starting to thicken up. Usually in the past when I did retwist, you can see my scalp and my hair looked really thin and I hated the way that looked. But now every time I do a retwist, it looks like my hair is full, healthy, and it just, I love it. This was the best decision that I have ever made, is to have locs. However, I do miss my natural hair. I do miss my curl pattern and I do miss the versatility. But I have found that there's so much I can do with my locs and they're so easy to maintain and I love them. I will not change it. If I ever decided to get rid of them, I would comb them out. I would not cut my hair. My hair has not been drying or itchy scalp or anything like that. It feels like it stays moisturized. When I feel that my hair needs more moisture in it, I will spray it with my rose water and then I'll take my oil, put it in my palm, and I will squeeze it into my locs as opposed to rubbing it into my locs. I still do not use chemicals in my hair as far as when I do my retwist. I still use aloe vera gel with some oils and different things like that. It's just a mixture that I mix up. And I put a little honey in it and a little fragrance. Usually it's vanilla and peppermint. I use to retwist my hair. I will retwist it with the clamps and I will sit up under the dryer for maybe about an hour. And then I take the clamps out and I'll sit up under the dryer for another 30 minutes. So this will last me, as long as I don't manipulate it, it will last me for a good month or so, until I start spraying rose water or pulling it up in a bun or anything like that. As you can tell, my hair is graying. I wish it would hurry up, but it's doing its own thing and I'm not going to bother it. If you notice this one right here is a little fat, this loc would not lock up. I did let the new growth get to about here. I did not retwist, and I usually don't retwist my hair for about 2 to 3 months. I'll let it go. I am not ashamed of it. I like the way it looks, and it is what it is. But I did decide that it was time to retwist my hair. However, this one and a couple of other ones, I had one where the hair was just there. I didn't even know what loc it went into, so I had to figure out what loc it went into and twist it around, palm roll it, and then I used the tool to sort of make it stay a little bit and not come out. So that's what it is. This was a combined loc, and you can tell by the ends how fat it is that this one was a combined loc. This was the one that had some spare hair out of it that I twisted around. So I just try and find a loc to put it in, because I've had that happen with a couple of my locs where the hair is just there and I don't know where the hair came from. But I think it's because I wait so long to retwist my hair that it'll just come out and it's on its own with no retwist or nothing. There's no loc attached to it. So I need to stop doing that to make sure that my hair is staying healthy and it's in the formation that I want it to be in. I still, like I said, I still do not put chemicals in it. I am still using the Design Essential shampoos for my hair. However, I do use the Shimmering Light shampoo, and I start off with that so that I can try and make sure that my grays look gray and bright and not tarnished looking, because mine seems to look tarnished when I don't do anything with it. Another thing about the gray hair is it has a mind of its own. I mean, sometimes it'll be sticking straight up and you can't tame it. So I have to sort of manipulate it to do what I want it to do. But for the most part, I just let it alone. I do pull it back with a band when I do pull my hair back with a band when I go work out or do exercise or when I'm doing anything that is going to make me sweat, because my hair, whenever I sweat in my head, and my hair is usually soaking wet in my head. So this is my hair from the side, and this is my hair from this side, and this is my hair from the back. As you can tell, guys, I just have so much body in my hair. I can pull my hair up in a bun. I can put it in a low ponytail, a high ponytail. I can do a lot more with it now that it has grown out, and I am really loving it. But that is really all for this video, fam. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. But that's all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.